Sanibona Ndumelana Mshini. Hi, welcome to Dumisite. Shizabhiyani ngafuna ukuthi uliphuze ujahile kodwa lifuna ukuthi uliphuze uhleli phansi ngoba waliphuza ujahile uzosha. Let's get into the video. Anele Zondo and Altido were spotted at the Durban July together. They look nice together. They look like as in the combos were communicating, because if you look at their design, they kind of look similar. It's giving couple goals, it's giving couple vibes. And people, as you know, one thing about Twitter people, they will put 1 + 1 and it will equals to 2. So they're like, no, something is going on between these two. Something is going on. You understand? And it made sense. People were like, oh, so others were alleging that they've seen them together, they've spotted them together, the vibes. And one thing, Altido did not beat the allegation because he went on to his Facebook account and posted his image with Anele Zondo, and he captioned the pictures "me and you" plus a heart emoji. So obviously you cannot put a red heart emoji if you are not dating. So I'm wondering, did they date prior the interview or after the interview? Because we saw the kids. It was giving chemistry, it was giving physics, it was giving biology. So maybe nje soft launchelo ukuthi yazini khona okuyenzakalayo, or maybe after that kiss Altido got dizzy to a point where athi yazini I want more, angifuni ukuthi nje lento yami no Anele Zondo neither pay phelele la. So asazi, maybe it's another new couple loading couple goals.